The black-crowned crane, Balearica pavonina, is a striking and elegant bird known for its distinctive black crown of stiff golden feathers. It is native to the wetlands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. This species is one of the oldest living species of cranes and is notable for its elaborate courtship dances, social behavior, and unique vocalizations. Black-crowned cranes are medium-sized birds, standing about 105 centimeters 41 inches tall, with a wingspan of approximately 180 centimeters 71 inches. They typically weigh between 3.6 to 4.6 kilograms 8 to 10 pounds. Their most distinguishing feature is the golden, bristle-like crown of feathers on their head. The body plumage is primarily grey, with white on the wings and a black patch at the top of the head extending down to the neck, creating a striking contrast with the crown. The face is adorned with white cheek patches and a bright reticular sac, a pouch of skin under the beak that can be inflated during displays. Their long legs and neck are adapted for wading through wetlands, and they have a unique toe arrangement that allows them to grasp branches, making them capable of roosting in trees. Black-crowned cranes are highly social birds, typically seen in pairs or small family groups. During the non-breeding season, they may form larger flocks, sometimes numbering in the hundreds. These birds are known for their elaborate and graceful courtship dances, which involve bowing, jumping, running, and wing flapping, accompanied by a variety of vocalizations. Their calls are loud and distinctive, often described as a trumpeting unison call, performed by pairs to strengthen their bond and communicate with other cranes. These vocalizations are produced by a long trachea that coils within the bird's sternum, acting like a resonating chamber. Black-crowned cranes are omnivorous, with a diet that includes a variety of plant and animal matter. They forage for seeds, grains, and fruits, as well as insects, small fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Their long legs and toes are adapted for wading through wetlands, allowing them to probe the mud and shallow water for food. They also feed on agricultural crops, which can sometimes bring them into conflict with farmers. Breeding season for black-crowned cranes varies by region, but generally coincides with the wet season when food is abundant and water levels are high. They are monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds. The courtship displays, which include elaborate dances and vocal duets, play a crucial role in maintaining these bonds. Nests are built in shallow water or on the ground in well-hidden locations, often in dense vegetation to protect against predators. The female typically lays 2 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 28 to 31 days. The chicks are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile shortly after hatching. Both parents care for the chicks, leading them to feeding sites and protecting them from threats. In the wild, black-crowned cranes can live up to 20 to 30 years, although their lifespan can be short due to predation and human-induced threats. In captivity, with proper care, they can live even longer, sometimes exceeding 30 years. The black-crowned crane is listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List. The main threats to their survival include habitat loss and degradation, particularly the draining of wetlands for agriculture and development, and the conversion of grasslands to farmland. Additionally, they are hunted for their feathers, and the illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat. Conservation efforts focus on protecting and restoring wetland habitats, enforcing laws against hunting and illegal trade, and raising awareness about the importance of cranes and their ecosystems. Some regions have established protected areas and wildlife reserves that provide crucial habitat for these birds. Black-crowned cranes hold significant cultural importance in many African societies. They are often depicted in traditional art and folklore, and are sometimes considered symbols of peace, prosperity, and longevity. In some cultures, they are believed to bring good luck and are revered for their grace and beauty. Research on black-crowned cranes includes studies on their behavior, ecology, and population dynamics. Scientists use various methods, such as satellite tracking and field observations, to monitor their movements, breeding success, and habitat use. This research helps inform conservation strategies and management plans. Ecotourism also plays a crucial role in their conservation. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts are drawn to areas where these cranes are found, providing economic incentives for local communities to protect their natural habitats. Responsible ecotourism practices can help raise awareness about the plight of black-crowned cranes and generate funds for conservation initiatives. Black-crowned cranes are kept in zoos and aviaries around the world, where they serve as ambassadors for their species and help raise awareness about conservation issues. In captivity, they require spacious enclosures that mimic their natural habitat, with access to water for wading and foraging. Their diet in captivity includes a variety of seeds, grains, fruits, and specially formulated grain pellets. Captive breeding programs are also in place to help bolster wild populations and ensure the genetic diversity of the species. These programs involve careful management of breeding pairs, incubation of eggs, and rearing of chicks, often with the goal of releasing them into protected areas in the wild. The black-crowned crane is a magnificent bird with a rich cultural heritage and ecological significance. Its striking appearance, graceful behavior, and elaborate courtship displays make it a symbol of beauty and elegance in the natural world. While facing significant threats from habitat loss, hunting, and illegal trade, concerted conservation efforts are essential to ensure the survival of this species. By protecting their habitats, enforcing conservation laws, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help secure a future for the black-crowned crane and the diverse ecosystems it inhabits.
Thanks for your subscribe, like, and comment.